I put a paper in there inside. It's recording. This stupid bitch is crazy. She picked it up and threw it because I didn't give her what she wanted. So now the screen's cracked, but it still works. Fuck you, Victoria. Sorry. See you on YouTube. Facebook. Hey, how are you? You're on video. Say hello to the coaches and put you on Facebook. You ready for tonight? Yes. I'm ready. We're going? Yeah. This is where we're going to. Why?